Hi, this is Juan from PYKRS. Today I'm going to introduce you to PYKRS box. This device contains all the electronics from your PYKRS smart jacket. It controls both the heating and the lights of the smart jacket. On top of that, it includes a fall detection system, which will measure the acceleration and rotation whenever you have a severe fall. Once the fall is detected, the device will connect with the PYKRS app via Bluetooth. Within 3 minutes, if you haven't responded to the PYKRS notification, the device will send an alert to a list of emergency contacts, sharing the time of the accident and the location. Now, let's find out how we install this device onto the PYKRS jacket.
Now it's time to connect the PYKRS box to the jacket. For that, we will use the 5 snaps on the back of the box. They will connect to the connecting station of the jacket. We will make sure it is well connected. All the 5 snaps need to be securely fastened to the jacket. Then we will use the PYKRS power bank. This battery will power the heating and the light of your jacket, as well as the fall detection system. We put it into the pocket and we use a strap to secure it. After that, we will take the PYKRS cable and we will use the USB-A end on the battery and the USB-C end on the box. We start by connecting the USB-A end on the battery, and then we connect the USB-C end on the box. Now it's time to see how the box works. Once the device is connected to the jacket, we will turn it on by tapping into the heating button and watching the 3 lights turn on. Then, if we tap once, we get the lowest heating mode. If we tap twice, we get the medium heating mode. And then if we tap a 3rd time, we will get the highest heating mode. By pressing the heating button a 4th time, we turn off the heating system. To turn on the light system, we press once and we will get steady lights. If we tap the light button a 2nd time, we will get slow blinking lights. And then if we tap the light button a 3rd time, we will get fast blinking lights. If we tap the light button a 4th time, we will turn off the lights. By pressing the heating button for over 3 seconds, we're turning off the full device. Thanks for watching and see you in the next episode.